Hey guys, what's going on? It's Alan here and welcome to this video. Today we're going to take a look at the MT4 or the MetaTrader 4. This is the application that you're going to use to place your trades, okay? This is the one you probably will start with. Anyways, you can get this on Android, you can get this on iOS, you can get this on macOS, on Windows, wherever you are, you can get it, but we will take a look at the phone version, which is basically the same on iOS and Android, but I have iOS, so let's open it up. First off, I have to say this is a very easy to use and free to use app. So firstly, you will need an account to trade on this application. Once you install it, once you download it, you will have automatically a demo account open, a MetaTrader demo account, which you can trade. I think it's like 100k in the demo account. Doesn't really matter. I want to show you how you can open a new account when you actually register with a broker. Okay, so you go to the settings and you go to the new account and log into an existing account, and there your broker will send your email on which server you have to pick. I have the IC markets. They let you know which server you have to pick and the login info, and then just click log in and you're logged into your real account. Okay, right now, as you can see, we are on my demo account. So I will show you that. We will start here on the quotes tab, okay? And under the quotes tab, you have your currency pairs, okay? Not all of the pairs that you need will be in here. So what you need to do is you need to click here on the plus, and then you can search here for a currency pair that you want, and you just click plus and it will appear. Which one did we add now? Euro, Danish crown. And then it appears at the bottom. So here from the quotes tab, you will actually go ahead and place a trade or take a look at the chart. So how you do it is, for example, let's say we want to place a trade for Euro USD, right? You click on it and you then have three options. You have trade and chart and details. Details is not something that we really would like to bore you with. So you have chart. If you click on the chart, it will open the chart for that specific pair. You can add some indicators and stuff like that. And then again, if you click on it and you go to trade, here is your main window to placing a trade. And we will get to how you can place buy and sell orders later in this video. The second tab is the chart tab. Okay, so whichever chart you opened in the quotes tab, so as you can see, it's Euro USD now, right? If you want a chart for a different pair, you go back to quotes, you know. Let's say we want Aussie New Zealand, and you just click chart and it will appear on the chart, right? So here on this third one right here, you have objects that you can add. You know, you can draw like, I don't know, support, resistance, and trend lines, things like that. You have Fibonacci and channels and all this other stuff, but I don't really use any of that on my phone. You know, I use TradingView on my desktop or on my laptop, because this is just not enough real estate to work with for me personally. Then you also have some indicators you can add. There's a lot of indicators already in here if you want to just check something quickly, but I would recommend using TradingView for your analysis and stuff like that. The third tab, the trade tab, is actually a main screen, so to say. Here you will have your, as you can see, you have the balance. This is your total account balance, and if you have open trades, you will see your margin, your free margin, your margin level, and your equity. And here on the positions, those are here. There will appear the open trades and the open orders that also haven't been executed yet. So now, if you, let's say, press and hold on a trade, you can close it, you can modify it, you can trade it, and you can check a chart. Okay. If you click on trade, it will just open another window where you can place a new trade for that same pair. If you go to modify, here you can adjust your stop loss and take profit. Okay, so this is a very important window. This is where you will put in a different number and then hit modify, Right now it's Sunday, so there's no movement on the market, of course. Again, if you hold it, you can also close it here. You can close your whole entire position, or you can choose here the amount for which you want to close. Let's say if you want to close the position partly, you would enter in here, okay? And it will tell you, for example, look, I have 0.1 lot open right now and hold. If I want to close for 0.05 lots, so half of my position, it will tell you what profit or loss you have right now. Next one is History tab. Here you will access all of your trades that you've previously made, okay? You can go here under custom and just put in the date, or you have month and week. So these are the trades that I was trying on one of my demo accounts right now. So as you can see, in a month total, like what, 13 euros in minus. This week, 25 in plus. Yeah, you can check it like this. And the last one, you have a settings tab. This you will use probably just to add an account or switch between the accounts, but this is all you're probably gonna use the settings app for. Now, how do you actually open a trade? How do you actually add an order and stuff like that? I'll tell you, we said we'll tell you at the end of the video. Okay, so let's tap here on Euro USD, okay? Let's go on the trade. And here, up in here, if I just click buy or sell now, it will just go under the market. It will just do a market execution. So at the price that this pair is trading right now. If you click up here on the market execution, you have your orders: buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. We're not gonna go over what those means because that's a different video. And if you need them, you probably already know what they mean. So here you can hit buy limit. You just set the price as normal. You just set the stop loss, take profit, and the lot size right here, and then you place it. That's basically pretty much it when it comes to MetaTrader, guys. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye bye.